Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. This issue of negligence on the part of government officials is unbecoming. It's now an international embarrassment. I think it should be looked into. Nigerians, both at home and in diaspora, are beginning to lament and complain, and it's getting out of hand. If you ask me, it's now a national disgrace. But before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is that Nigerians in diaspora are already lamenting over, and it's truly getting out of hand, really. And I think we should look into this issue of us not, taking our job seriously and doing the right thing at the right time. Even in leadership, we are still experiencing the same issue. It's becoming very appalling. It's disgraceful to the eyes. In a moment, I'm going to allow you to watch the video. You hear for yourself. In fact, the young man here, he spoke his mind though, and I will allow us to watch it. Then afterwards, I will interpret what he said in Igbo language. Obviously, the man was really angry. He was vexed. In fact, he was very vexed, and it's a serious situation. Let's watch the video together, and I'll come back, to interpret what the young man said. Very terrible, I must say.
Nigeria government, Bikonu, I use God to beg you people. It's better we close this embassy here. Because this nonsense embassy has no even simple feeling about Nigerians in Switzerland. You will book an appointment in embassy, call them, register for the passport, pay everything. Calling embassy from day one, but nobody will pick your call. Write email to embassy, embassy will never reply your email. And there is people receiving salary. What type of rubbish office is this? People are here receiving salary all the time. They can never pick call. They can never write any message. Can you nonsense country different? Can you country about Nigeria? Can you useless country different? No. Somebody will drive from Schaffhausen 2 hours plus here. No info. When the validation of bitch, they never know, and they deceive them. Eh? People are in this office, but you'll be calling them, nobody will pick call. America never get that. This motor about the whole flavor. This useless one about the hell of flavor. Eh? People are here. They don't nonsense country if I'm about Nigeria. You will write email, nobody will reply your email. You call the phone, call phone, nobody will pick the nonsense call. You know the nonsense country about Nigeria they find. They receive salary, but they will never do something about their citizens. That lockdown. Kuno have one and do not man free. Uno tell Ndala. If I have on Facebook, it's a fear. Very useless people. Ndala. Una lugu on embassy. Kiteba na lata tu na yadia. Ndochu. Ne. Esim Schaffhausen yali moto ebiara no wa. 2 hours plus. Ndela this useless place. Now you're not this nonsense embassy. Nigeria embassy Ben. Switzerland. India were they were as workers. All of you in this place.
All right, welcome back. You've heard what the young man has said. They said it more in Igbo language, but you could hear from his intonation that he's very vexed, and he actually have good reasons to be. I could still remember some weeks back. I think somewhere in Edo State too. A young man also came up. In fact, he had to do a little protest. A lot of persons didn't come out anyway. He talked about this issue of passport. He said that in Nigeria, he said in southern Nigeria, I'm quoting the young man now, I think from Edo State. He said in southern Nigeria, if you want to get international passport, they'll tell you that there are no leaflets. But he now said something quite unique. He said if you go to the northern part of Nigeria, go to Maduguri, go to Katsina, Kaduna, that you get very quickly. He said within a week, thereabout max, everything settled. He's not asking why is it that he went down to the immigration office in Edo. They referred him to the one in Ondo. He went down to Ondo. They said sorry, they are short of leaflets. They should go down to the one in Rivers. And he was like, am I not a citizen of this country? Why shouldn't there be? They said, oh, sorry, but if he has the time, if he knows anybody, he can actually move down to the north to get international passport that ordinary Nigerian citizens, if you go down to the north, you easily get. And he was wondering, why should it be so in a country so blessed and so vast? And now a lot of Nigerians were thinking, okay, it's a Nigerian bureaucracy thing. It's because it's a Nigerians, we have issue of negligence, duties, and all that. Probably it's because it's in Nigeria and the Nigerian factor is affecting it. Well, this is actually in Switzerland, and the young man is still complaining the same thing. I remember sometime in 2020, yeah, 2020 also, one or two videos also went viral where I think in UK too, they were complaining that they kept on coming to the Nigerian embassy in UK that their doors were always shut. They're now saying, look, if you know you don't want to operate, just close down. Let's know that you don't have an embassy there. But I could also remember when Onyama Godfrey was talking about the issue of the overhead cost, in trying to maintain some of our embassies. But then, if you look at what Onyama was saying then, it says issue of overhead costs and all that, and the cost of maintaining embassy and all that. The money that is being looted in this country can take care of it. Yes. We borrow, they just keep white elephant project here and there, and we borrow for frivolities. These are a national embarrassment. How can a Nigerian go to his own embassy in another country and he will call, nobody will pick, he will send mails, nobody will answer, he will book an appointment, by the time he will call, nobody will open the door. It's as if he's a refugee. What is going on? He's a proud Nigerian, for crying out loud. These are negligences we're talking about. We should look into. It is not good for the image of Nigerians. And well, that's what we'll wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment section. What's your take, please?